You are IAS officer?
I am from Forest Service, Indian Forest Service. I am from Indian Forest Service.
Forest Service. IFS.
Yes, sir.
Have they not trained you how to appear before the court? Have they not taught you how to appear before the court? Dress code, dress code.
Sir, I was told that
This is the way of appearing with the bushert.
it's a white shirt, sir. It's a light shirt.
Huh?
It's a light shirt.
No, not about shirt. You must wear some coat. Where did you have the training? As and when you recruited? Why you are not assisting the state council?
My lord, just now he has come, my lord.
After noticing only he has appeared.
My lord.
Why he is not cooperating? I am asking.
My lord, I had filed one sopos, my lord.
Huh?
I had filed one sopos, my lord.
What is that show cause?
My lord, that appeal has been preferred, my lord.
Huh?
Appeal has been preferred, my lord.
What appeal?
So, my lord,
Is there any stay?
just, my lord, yesterday only it has been filed, my lord.
Stay is there.
No, my lord.
Then
My lord.
first implement the order subject to result of LPA.
My lord.
What is the direction?
Some time may be granted, my lord.
Huh?
Some time may be, my lord, granted.
No, why? In content matter, no question of time. Scope is very limited. You have to implement the order.
My lord.
Yes, when are you going to issue order of appointment to the petitioner?
कब appointment करिएगा पूछना सर.
Sir, because we have gone in for an appeal, we
You prefer appeal, obtain stay. Till then you are bound by this. You have to implement this order. Mere filing appeal is not an excuse in the contempt matter. First you issue order of appointment to the petitioner with a rider that such appointment order is subject to result of the LPA number so and so. If you have got LPA number.
will do that.
Within how many days?
Within a week we'll do that.
Yes, take down.
With driver.
Lord, they are still taking the service of respondent number 6, my lord, and paying the salary also, my lord.
Sorry?
They are still kept the respondent number 6 in service and paying the salary to him, lord.
You are appealing for sixth respondent.
My lord, I am appealing for the petitioner, my lord. I only following the court, my lord. This court has cancelled the appointment of respondent number 6, my lord. Despite of that, they are still kept in service to respondent number 6 and paying the salary, my lord.
Sixth respondent is still continuing.
Yes, my lord.
It is not on record, my lord.
Huh?
कहाँ से बोल रहे
No, he must be knowing second respondent.
Sir,
Sixth respondent is continued.
sir, he has,
How can you continue when the order is set aside?
sir, with this order he'll be moved and
By tomorrow you implement this order.
both the orders will be implemented simultaneously.
Huh?
Both the orders, removal of the sixth respondent and
Simultaneously do it by tomorrow evening.
sir.
You can't sleep over the order. Pursuant to the order dated 20th April 2022, second respondent, Special Secretary Mr. So and so is present in the court. When this court posed a question as to why the order dated 20th December 2021 passed in CWJC 7362 of 2020 has not been implemented, it is submitted that the department has preferred appeal. The department/government has preferred appeal before this court. It is also submitted that there is no interim order in the LPA in respect of staying the order dated 20th December 2021 passed in CWJC 7362 of 2020. Therefore, the respective parties are bound by the order dated 20th December 2021. The Mr. So and so Special Secretary, second respondent, undertakes to implement the order within 2 days with a rider that such appointment of the complainant dash petitioner is subject to result of the LPA decision. Release this matter next week for compliance.
Okay.
Where is he?
Yes, my lord. Writing appearance.
Personal appearance of the second respondent stands dispensed until further orders.
My lord. I will see to it, my lord, that the order is complied. The order will be complied by tomorrow.
Speak in mic.
Yes, he has already given an undertaking, my lord, that he will comply the order.
If they don't comply, then he has to
My lord.
face the contempt proceedings
They were
in framing charges.
My lord, they were aware of the order. Your lordship is aware, passed in the
In December, sir.
modern food case, my lord. Your lordship is just aware of the modern food case, 1995 supplementary 4-volume, where the contempt court, it has been said that it should go slow. But here sufficient time was given by my lord and the order should have been complied. I apologize myself.
Slow means how many years together time is required to be given?
No.
Matter relates to appointment,
Yes.
pensionary benefits. I don't tolerate.
My lordship. My lord, next date he has to appear, my lord. His appearance is dispensed with.
Dispensed until further orders.
My lord.
Ask him to be appear in court with the proper dress code.
Your lordship.
Ah. This is not the way of appearing just like a clerk.
My lord.
Obliged.